Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the project sample rate to 44, 1K or 48K. This reduces CPU demand. Once done, open Logic Pro Preferences Audio and set the I/O buffer size to 64 or 128 samples to lower native latency. Make sure low latency mode is enabled when tracking. It bypasses high latency plugins so you can perform. These first steps change how audio is buffered and prioritized, and they immediately improve monitoring responsiveness. Once your buffer is smaller, inspect plugin-induced delay using the Plugin Latency Manager. It shows which effects add the most milliseconds. You then either disable those plugins while tracking, replace them with low-latency stock alternatives, or freeze tracks to offload processing to disk. Make sure to route sends and auxes cleanly, remove unnecessary parallel chains, and consider committing CPU-heavy synths with bounce in place so the mixer runs smoothly. This reduces real-time load and keeps latency predictable. Finish by optimizing Logic's processing. Enable multi-threaded processing and adjust process buffer range to a reasonable window, typically 64 to 512, to let Logic balance CPU threads. Use your audio interface's native core audio driver rather than an aggregate device for stability. If you must use an aggregate device, test channels and clocking. If latency or audio glitches persist, create a blank project to isolate issues, then reset Logic preferences. This clears corrupted settings and often resolves stubborn latency anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.